Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 combines brushing and flossing in one device. Start by filling reservoir with warm water and replace it firmly on the base. Select a tip that's right for you. Click firmly into handle. If this is your first use, you will need to prime the pump. 1. Set the pressure control to high. 2. Point the tip into the sink. 3. Turn on until water flows. 4. Turn unit off. Now let's get on to water flossing. Start with the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn power and water on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Water floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute. The toothbrush features a rechargeable battery that conveniently charges in the base of the unit. Next, remove the charged toothbrush from its docking station. Attach a brush head. Apply water and toothpaste and place in your mouth. To start brushing, turn toothbrush on and select a mode. The Complete Care 9.0 toothbrush has 3 modes: clean, whiten, and massage. Clean all surfaces of your teeth, outside, inside, and along the gum line. If you have trouble reaching the inside of your teeth, tilt the brush vertically. The Complete Care toothbrush has a 2-minute timer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds, so you know when to move to the next section of your mouth. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day for best results. Waterpik Complete Care. Brushing and flossing in one device.
One thing I need. Sonicare toothbrushes clean teeth in a way a manual toothbrush cannot. Their patented sonic technology uses high frequency and amplitude to generate a unique brushing action. The unique bristle tip activity has a velocity of over 30,000 strokes per minute, which results in thorough plaque biofilm disruption. And the brush sweeps back and forth, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas. The dynamic cleaning action forces fluid deep into areas in between the teeth and along the gum line. Foamy liquid is directed around and between teeth and along the gum line where plaque bacteria flourish. First, let's explain how to use the automatic quad pacer timer. Just move to the next section of your mouth after you hear a pause every 30 seconds. The brush stops automatically after the recommended 2 minutes of brushing. Now apply toothpaste to the brush head. Wet the brush head and turn the brush on when it is in your mouth. Angle the brush along the gum line at about 45 degrees. Now gently glide and guide the brush along the gum line using only light pressure from your fingertips. Slowly move the brush from tooth to tooth. While moving, the longer bristles effectively clean in between the teeth. Now move the brush head slowly along the inner surfaces of all your teeth. Spend extra time on the inner surfaces of your lower front teeth, as this is where calculus can build up. Cleaning the biting surfaces is even easier. Just slowly move across them and let the Sonicare toothbrush do its job. With a Sonicare toothbrush, it is easy to reach the surfaces of your back teeth. To make this even easier, you can also use the compact brush head. As soon as you hear a pause, move to the next section of your mouth. For the best cleaning results, make sure you change your brush head every 3 months. And to remove even more plaque biofilm from in between your teeth, use the Philips Sonicare Air Floss. If you have any questions about brushing with a Philips Sonicare toothbrush, please ask your dental professional.